Suggestions for competitive exams, SSC Grove, C&D. Here are 50 examples of sentences in both direct and indirect speech. Direct speech. 1. Direct speech, he said, I am going to the store. Indirect speech, he said that he was going to the store. 2. Direct speech, she said, please pass the salt. Indirect speech, she requested me to pass the salt. 3. Direct speech, I will call you later, he said. Indirect speech, he mentioned that he would call me later. 4. Direct speech, don't forget to bring your ID, she told me. Indirect speech, she reminded me not to forget to bring my ID. 5. Direct speech, I love reading, Mary exclaimed. Indirect speech, Mary exclaimed that she loved reading. 6. Direct speech, let's meet at 3 o'clock, John suggested. Indirect speech, John suggested that we should meet at 3 o'clock. 7. Direct speech, I can swim, he bragged. Indirect speech, he bragged that he could swim. 8. Direct speech, I have finished my homework, she stated. Indirect speech, she stated that she had finished her homework. 9. Direct speech, we are going to the concert tonight, they announced. Indirect speech, they announced that they were going to the concert tonight. 10. Direct speech, the train departs at 9 a.m., the conductor said. Indirect speech, the conductor said that the train departed at 9 a.m. 11. Direct speech, I will help you with your homework, she promised. Indirect speech, she promised that she would help me with my homework. 12. Direct speech, we have been waiting for hours, they complained. Indirect speech, they complained that they had been waiting for hours. 13. Direct speech, it's a beautiful day, he observed. Indirect speech, he observed that it was a beautiful day. 14. Direct speech, please don't go, she pleaded. Indirect speech, she pleaded not to go. 15. Direct speech, I won the competition, he boasted. Indirect speech, he boasted that he had won the competition. 16. Direct speech, can you lend me some money, she asked. Indirect speech, she asked if I could lend her some money. 17. Direct speech, the movie starts at 7 p.m., they informed us. Indirect speech, they informed us that the movie started at 7 p.m. 18. Direct speech, I don't understand this math problem, he admitted. Indirect speech, he admitted that he didn't understand that math problem. 19. Direct speech, I'll be there on time, she assured me. Indirect speech, she assured me that she would be there on time. 20. Direct speech, I'm sorry for the mistake, he apologized. Indirect speech, he apologized for the mistake. 21. Direct speech, I want to go to the beach, she declared. Indirect speech, she declared that she wanted to go to the beach. 22. Direct speech, they are coming to the party, he confirmed. Indirect speech, he confirmed that they were coming to the party. 23. Direct speech, don't touch that hot pan, she warned. Indirect speech, she warned not to touch that hot pan. 24. Direct speech, I can't attend the meeting, he informed his boss. Indirect speech, he informed his boss that he couldn't attend the meeting. 25. Direct speech, please close the window, she requested. Indirect speech, she requested to close the window. 26. Direct speech, we should study harder for the exam, they advised. Indirect speech, they advised that we should study harder for the exam. 27. Direct speech, I'll bring some snacks, she offered. Indirect speech, she offered to bring some snacks. 28. Direct speech. Let's visit the museum tomorrow, he suggested. In direct speech, he suggested that we visit the museum tomorrow. 29. Direct speech. I have already finished my work, she mentioned. In direct speech, she mentioned that she had already finished her work. 30. Direct speech. I am so tired, he complained. In direct speech, he complained that he was so tired. 31. Direct speech. I won't be able to attend the wedding, he regretted. In direct speech, he regretted that he wouldn't be able to attend the wedding. 32. Direct speech. Don't forget to buy groceries, she reminded me. In direct speech, she reminded me not to forget to buy groceries. 33. Direct speech. Let's go for a walk in the park, they proposed. In direct speech, they proposed going for a walk in the park. 34. Direct speech. I have never seen such a beautiful sunset, she marveled. In direct speech, she marveled at having never seen such a beautiful sunset. 35. Direct speech. Could you please pass the salt? He requested. In direct speech, he requested to pass the salt. 36. Direct speech. The party starts at 8 p.m., they mentioned. In direct speech, they mentioned that the party started at 8 p.m. 37. Direct speech. I'll give you a call tomorrow, she assured. In direct speech, she assured that she would give me a call tomorrow. 38. Direct speech. I love this song, he admitted. In direct speech, he admitted that he loved that song. 39. Direct speech. We are going to travel to Europe next summer, they announced. In direct speech, they announced that they were going to travel to Europe next summer. 40. Direct speech. I'm excited about the job interview, she confessed. In direct speech, she confessed that she was excited about the job interview. 41. Direct speech. I'm going to visit my grandparents next weekend, she informed us. In direct speech, she informed us that she was going to visit her grandparents next weekend. 42. Direct speech. Please don't make any noise, he requested. In direct speech, he requested not to make any noise. 43. Direct speech. Let's order pizza for dinner, they suggested. In direct speech, they suggested ordering pizza for dinner. 44. Direct speech. I have a dentist appointment at 2 p.m., she disclosed. In direct speech, she disclosed that she had a dentist appointment at 2 p.m. 45. Direct speech. I'll be there as soon as possible, he promised. In direct speech, he promised to be there as soon as possible. 46. Direct speech. It's raining outside, she pointed out. In direct speech, she pointed out that it was raining outside. 47. Direct speech. I can't find my keys, he admitted. In direct speech, he admitted that he couldn't find his keys. 48. Direct speech. I want to learn how to play the guitar, she expressed. In direct speech, she expressed her desire to learn how to play the guitar. 49. Direct speech. We should study for the upcoming exams, they advised. In direct speech, they advised that we should study for the upcoming exams. 50. Direct speech. I'll take the morning flight, he decided. In direct speech, he decided to take the morning flight. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I genuinely hope you found this video valuable and informative. Remember, knowledge is power, and I'm here to empower you on your journey to success in all your upcoming competitive exams, whether it's for SSC, PSC, railways, district courts, or any other competitive challenge you're taking on. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content to aid you in your preparations. Also, share this video with your friends and fellow aspirants who might benefit from it. Your support means the world to us, and we're committed to helping you achieve your goals. Stay dedicated, keep learning, and you're one step closer to acing those exams. Best of luck, and remember, you have got this. See you in the next video.